What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, me and my brother, I'm actually doing just a normal vlog video today. So I'm actually just gonna do a vlog video of the R-Line, and I got myself a new phone, guys, with better, I mean, like the quality of the camera is much better. Got myself an iPhone 13, not the Pro, just a normal one. And I had to, I had to upgrade with the quality for my channel. So we are in Franschhoek. And yeah, I'm basically just gonna do not a review, but just few, normal videos of the R-Line. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Cheers. So guys, we are at the location in Franschhoek, where we shot the video with the VW crew just 2 weeks ago. And yeah, we're here with the R-Line, guys. So like I said, it's not gonna be a review, guys, because I already did a review on the channel of this car. Comment down below if you guys can see the difference in quality from my previous phone that I had, the Galaxy S8. And I had to upgrade my phone, guys, because it's a new year and I have to upgrade my quality of my videos on my channel, guys. So this is how it looks inside, guys. Let me Okay, this is a wide angle, so this is what my previous phone didn't have. So this is a wide angle shot. Sunroof, guys, very special. These, I got myself some merch, guys, but I will show you guys in a minute. So let me just do things to this car, guys. Okay, imagine where is he at? Imagine I'm driving away, guys. And he's standing there. Okay, so the sunroof is open. Let me just close the sunroof quickly. So I have to switch on the ignition, and just you can keep the button in, but you can also just click it and it will close. And obviously you got this visor here to block the sun out. And let me just open it again because it's freak hot. And this is probably one of my favorite parts of this car, guys, the sunroof. So yeah. And okay, so basically, one thing that I didn't know about this car is if you put your hand here, right, the whole infotainment system will sense that you wanna do something. So it will, if you guys can see, it will move. Okay, so the damn thing doesn't want to move. So another thing that I didn't know about this car is that I was looking for the CD player, and I know a lot of new cars doesn't have CD players. So then I checked below here, guys. This is where you find the CD. So you can put the SD card in there, and that is the CD player, guys. Let me just switch off the ignition. And yeah, this is also nice. The R-Line seats. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do a review. I did a review on this car a while back, last year October. And I know a lot of you guys enjoyed the review on this car, and this is still my favorite Polo, guys. over the current Polo. This one looks more sophisticated and more elegant to me personally. So I got myself some merch, and this is how it looks. So this is the white piece, guys, with the car guy, the YouTube logo at the back, car guy here, subscribe, as well as my personal name at the front. And this is how the black one looks. So, and I think personally, guys, the black one, I prefer the black one actually. So YouTube logo right there, car guy, subscribe, and also my name at the front. So if you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram, and also comment down below if you guys want some merch, and I can actually make it for you. I can actually make it. So guys, I can personalize the t-shirts for you guys if you want, with your name at the front and also the car guy logo at the back with the YouTube logo. So if you guys are interested, hit me up in the comments and also on Instagram. Cool. Yo, het was vol vandaag. Hey, tuk-tuk. How's a tuk-tuk? Guys, we are heading to an unknown location. So I have to make a U-turn, guys. Yeah. Guys, Franschhoek is on another level, man.
You actually turn hier zo.
Ja, is met maar omdraaien. Guys, yo. So I got no. Ik denk ze kan niet gaan. Ja. Kant. Nah. U-turn. Yo. Guys, we have no idea where we're at, but this place looks really nice. Looks cool. So, follow my Mercedes, follow the Mercedes. Yeah. A nice location. So guys, we are lost, but you know, the place looks really nice. The view, man. Yo, brah. Yo, check hier. Shit. Yeah.
Ik denk zo.
Zie je, hij blikt me, bro. Ja. Bro, net maar Rios binnen die mensen zijn jaad vast. Nee, bro, is waan door Rios. Yo. Guys, we don't know where to exit this place. Was so lost, but we lost in Franschhoek. The view is nice, so might as well enjoy the view. Oh yeah, guys, O ja, het is maar net die speed bump ziek. Oh. So we found a way out, guys. By luck. So guys, we're here in Franschhoek. Just gonna take a walk, like I said, and see what we can find here. I saw a few cars, a few cool modified cars as well. So just a nice vlog, guys. Ik wil net een drommetje krijgen, die ding gegooid. And it's quite warm today, guys. Yeah, it's pretty warm. But the weather is quite nice, guys, honestly. I have to throw my fillers away. Guys, so I shot the video I think a year ago in Franschhoek with my old phone, and I did a few car spotting videos here in Franschhoek, and now I'm back in Franschhoek, guys. A few nice restaurants here. Yeah. Koos McCann. Is the Martin DBX, guys. Nice. Got a nice BMW M4 here, guys. Competition. Yeah. Yeah. And you can definitely see the wider body kit that this thing has over a normal 4 Series. And got a nice upgraded exhaust as well. Guys, what I want to mention is I used to make reviews at car dealerships. But what I want to do is, guys, I want to change the whole dynamic, especially this year going forward. I want to change the dynamic of the channel. So a lot of guys DM'd me and asked me if I can make a review on the cars, like individual videos. Big bro at the back. So yeah, I'm still gonna do car reviews as per normal, but I'm mostly gonna focus on reviews on individual cars. So yeah, guys. Nice Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Yeah. Super nice, guys. As you guys know, this is the competition against the C63 and the BMW M3. So yeah, got a nice paint here right there as well. GMC, yo, on air suspension. Old classic G-Wagon. Oh my word. Yeah, nice. Yeah. G-Wagon, guys. Nice. A nice old classic car right here. On air suspension. Wow. Amazing, bro. My goodness. So got a nice Honda Civic Type R FK2, guys. Wow, looks nice. Like the design. Got some Brembo brakes as well. And this is the thing about these Type R's, guys. They look so ridiculously designed, but I like it, guys. I like it. Yo, this thing looks nice. Toyota Fortuner. So that's pretty much it for the day. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was just a normal vlog. Nothing, you know, no review or so. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I got some new merch, guys. If you guys are interested, I can personalize your t-shirt. So comment down below, guys. Hit me up on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.